There are several alternatives to Zapier that you may want to consider, depending on your specific needs and preferences. Some popular options include Microsoft Flow. This platform offers a wide range of pre-built connectors and templates to help you get started quickly. It also provides robust data transformation and integration capabilities, as well as support for custom code using Azure functions. Integromat. This platform offers a visual editor and a wide range of pre-built connectors and templates, as well as support for custom code using JavaScript. It also provides advanced error handling and data transformation capabilities. IFT. This platform offers a large library of pre-built applets that allow you to automate tasks and processes across a wide range of online platforms and devices. It is generally simpler to use than some of the other options, but may not be as powerful or flexible. Workato. This platform offers a wide range of pre-built connectors and templates, as well as advanced data transformation and integration capabilities. It also provides support for custom code using Ruby. Trade.io. This platform offers a visual editor and a wide range of pre-built connectors and templates, as well as support for custom code using JavaScript. It also provides advanced error handling and data transformation capabilities. Skyvia. This platform offers a wide range of pre-built connectors and templates, as well as advanced data integration and management capabilities. It also provides support for custom code using SQL. Comparing pricing and plans for Zapier Alternatives. Microsoft Flow. Microsoft Flow offers a free plan that includes 500 runs per month, as well as paid plans starting at $15 per user per month. The paid plans include additional features such as unlimited runs, premium connectors, and support for custom code using Azure functions. Integromat. Integromat offers a free plan that includes 100 operations per scenario and 100 megabytes of data transfer per day, as well as paid plans starting at $9.99 per month. The paid plans include additional features such as unlimited operations, higher data transfer limits, and support for custom code using JavaScript. IFT is free to use, but some applets may have additional fees or require a paid subscription to the underlying service. Workato. Workato offers a free trial and paid plan starting at $50 per month. The paid plans include additional features such as support for custom code using Ruby, higher data transfer limits, and priority support. Trade.io. Trade.io offers a free trial and paid plan starting at $250 per month. The paid plans include additional features such as support for custom code using JavaScript, higher data transfer limits, and priority support. Skyvia. Skyvia offers a free plan that includes 100,000 operations per month and 1 GB of data transfer per month, as well as paid plans starting at $19.99 per month. The paid plans include additional features such as higher data transfer limits, support for custom code using SQL, and priority support. It's important to note that the pricing and plans for these Zapier alternatives can vary depending on your specific needs and usage. For example, some platforms may charge based on the number of operations or data transfer, while others may charge based on the number of users or the level of support you need. To get a more accurate comparison of pricing and plans, you will need to consider your specific requirements and contact the vendors directly. Case studies: how companies are using Zapier alternatives to automate their workflows. Automation can help companies streamline their processes, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. Many companies are using Zapier alternatives to automate their workflows and integrate their various applications and services. Here are a few case studies to illustrate how these platforms are being used in the real world. 1. Microsoft Flow. A global consulting firm used Microsoft Flow to automate the process of booking conference rooms for meetings. 1. The company connected Outlook, the calendar system, and a room booking system using Flow, which allowed employees to check the availability of conference rooms and book them directly from Outlook. 1. This automation saved the company time and improved the efficiency of the room booking process. 2. Integromat, a small marketing agency used Integromat to automate the process of gathering client feedback. 2. The agency connected a survey tool, a spreadsheet, and a project management tool using Integromat, which allowed them to automate the process of sending surveys to clients, collecting the responses, and storing the data in a spreadsheet for analysis. 2. This automation saved the agency time and helped them gather and analyze client feedback more efficiently. 3. IFT, a real estate company used IFT to automate the process of listing properties on its website. 3. The company connected its property database with its website using IFT, which allowed new properties to be automatically added to the website as they were entered into the database. 3. This automation saved the company time and ensured that the website was always up to date. 4. Workato, a large retail company used Workato to automate the process of managing inventory across its various stores. 4. The company connected its inventory management system with its point-of-sale system using Workato, which allowed them to automatically update inventory levels as sales were made. 4. This automation saved the company time and improved the accuracy of their inventory data. 5. Tray.io, a financial services company used Tray.io to automate the process of onboarding new clients. 5. The company connected various systems, such as a CRM, a document management system, and a compliance system, using Tray.io, which allowed them to automate the process of gathering client information, verifying compliance, and generating documents. 5. This automation saved the company time and improved the efficiency of the onboarding process. 6. Skyvia, a healthcare company used Skyvia to automate the process of exchanging patient data with other healthcare providers. 6. The company connected their electronic health record system with the systems of other healthcare providers using Skyvia, which allowed them to automate the process of exchanging patient data for treatment and referral purposes. 6. This automation saved the company time and improved the accuracy and timeliness of patient data. These are just a few examples of how companies are using Zapier Alternatives to automate their workflows. These platforms can be used to automate a wide range of tasks and processes, from simple data entry to complex integrations and business processes.